If you can tell by the title, I am very happy. And also, what will we be reading today? Can you know? Hat, parrot, map. Today we will be reading about a pirate. And today I'm very happy because it is a girl. And let me show you the back. Looks good to me. Looks good for you kids. It's called The Map. Look at the map. Oh, look, there's a boat. Ooh, there's a compass. I really like her boots. They're really pretty. I see the boat, a boat. Oh, I like the blue, and I like the water. Do you guys like to go swimming? I love to go swimming. Excuse me, I burped. And what do you say when we burp? Excuse me. Look at the water. Ew. Do you guys like the color of the water? I think it's really beautiful. I see a tree. She sees a tree. Look, it's a little island. And she got her telescope. Ooh, that's what it's called. Look at how good it looks. Ooh. Look at the X. Ooh, she's probably finding the treasure. Let's be so happy when she finds the treasure, the X, and she has a shovel. Sometimes people have accidents. I see a box. Ooh, guys, what did she find? A treasure box. Ooh, and look at it. She's pointing. Nice point. Gold, gold. Look at the gold. Ooh, let's see. Okay, what's this? She got a gold necklace. What's this? She has a gold cup. She has coins in there. Oh, and the map. It was nice reading with you today, guys, and stay focused on your work, and I'll see you another time. Bye!